In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make your first $10,000 in earnings in 2026. Absolutely beginners friendly. If you've never made a single dime online on the internet and you have never made a single penny, this one video is going to show you step by step how you can make money online in 2026. To be exact, your first $10,000. That's the magic number that everyone loves to hear, and everyone wants to make at least $10,000. So I'm going to show you step by step in this video how you can make your first $10,000 in cash, in money, online from the comfort of your home in 2026. And this is a beginners friendly video. So if you're getting started online, looking at different options, looking for different ways to make money online, I'm going to show you one of the ways to make money online in 2026 and get your first $10,000. So let's dive into this video. Watch this video right to the end so you understand what I am showing you, what I am teaching you, and why this method works so well, and how ordinary people, beginners, advanced marketers, and top internet gurus are making multiple 6 and 7 figures using this same method. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to create accounts for a couple of websites, because we're going to use these websites to make money like this. And in this video, I am also going to give you the proven product that's working right now at this current moment, converting very good with very minimum traffic that can make you commissions. And I'm going to give you the proven traffic network that you can use to promote and to make money online with the product that I'm about to give you, because it's working and it's proven with so many affiliate marketers. So let's get into this. Okay, so I'm on a website called ClickBank. Okay, now ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products. Now when I say digital products, a lot of people don't know what I'm trying to say here. There are two types of products online. One is the physical products, which you can find on Amazon. So when you purchase a product, you get the product shipped to your home address. But now these days people tend to buy digital products. Digital product is when you purchase a product, you're not going to get no physical item shipped to your address. In fact, you just get an email saying, hey, go to this website link, log into your account and start watching the video. So you watch the online training videos on the internet. That's called a digital product, something that you can't have in your hands. Okay, so ClickBank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of digital products. Now we are talking about ClickBank. In other words, we are talking about one of the ways to make money online is affiliate marketing. So there are so many ways to make money online: e-commerce, drop shipping, okay, creating audios, freelancing, etc. We are going to talk about affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's product to earn commissions. Now why am I sharing this method with you is because number one, it's beginners friendly. Number two, you don't need you don't need any technical skills, but you don't need too much experience. If you have the basic knowledge, which I am going to share in this video, you can start to make money, start driving some traffic. And number three, it doesn't require a lot of testing. Okay, so you don't need to keep on testing over and over to see what's working. With quality traffic and with a proven product, you can make money. Now this method is 100% beginners friendly. It doesn't require you to call people, to chase people, to create websites, to create blogs, to have to convince someone to actually create products, to do launches. Nothing like that. It's simple. You come to a marketplace like ClickBank or any similar network like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore 24. You go to these networks, you get one product, choose a proven product, and in this video I'm going to give you the proven product. Okay, so you choose a proven product that's going to make you good commissions, and then you start driving traffic. Now quality traffic, that's what matters. Now you can do free traffic, you can do paid traffic. I'm going to share a free traffic network, and the reason I'm sharing this is because it's working and it's going to make you money online. Okay, so this video is all about how to make your first $10,000 for beginners in 2026. Okay, so I'm sharing the exact blueprint. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to ClickBank and create your free account. That's right, ClickBank is a free marketplace. You just register your account for free and create your free account. Once you have created your free account, you just go into the settings, okay, and add your details. That's going to be your home postal address, and that's going to be your bank account details. But in the beginning, they're not going to allow you to add your bank account details. The reason is because ClickBank is going to pay you your first 2 payments via postal address. So it's going to be a paycheck. It's not going to be an electronic payment. All right. So this is very, very important for you to understand. So make sure you have an accurate postal address so you can receive your paycheck. And once you have received your paycheck, you will be able to clear your paycheck. And once you've cleared your paycheck, 2 paychecks, then you can go into the settings, set up your bank account details, and they're going to send you direct electronic payments. Okay. ClickBank is a great way to get paid online. ClickBank pays on time. ClickBank has been there since the 1990s, all right, and people have made multiple 6, 7, and even 8 figures with ClickBank, and they pay you on time, and it feels so good when you get paid from ClickBank. So that's the step 1. You need to have your ClickBank account ready. Once you have your ClickBank account ready, what you're going to see is a ClickBank marketplace. You're going to go to the ClickBank marketplace, and then you're going to come here into the search bar, and you're going to type in this product here that you're seeing, that I have just typed it in. Okay, and here's the product. It gives you all the details. It's going to pay you $20 commissions. Okay, now it's not just $20. They have upsells as well, which can lead to up to $60. Okay. This is just the front end sale. So every time traffic comes, someone buys, you're going to make $20 commissions. I'm giving you the proven product that's converted, so you don't have to go out there testing different products. Okay, I'm giving you the proven product that's going to convert with this traffic network. So what you're going to do, you're going to come here, you're going to click on get affiliate link, you're going to add your nickname, which is going to be your username, you're going to click on continue, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to have your ClickBank affiliate link. This is your link where you're going to drive people to, and every time someone visits this link, they're going to come to a page just like this. Okay, and when they see this page, they watch the video. If they're convinced, all right, they are, and if they purchase the product, after purchasing the product, you're going to make a commission. Okay, so which means you need a proven product and you need a proven traffic, quality traffic. Now that could be free or paid traffic, and I'm going to share the free traffic source. So that's step 1. Step 2, what you need to do now is you need to go to Instagram and you need to create your Instagram account. Okay, so let me just come here. Okay, you need to create your free Instagram account, and the reason you need to create your free Instagram account, this is a free traffic source. You can use this traffic source, and this traffic source is converting very, very good with this product. Okay, and let me show you what I mean by this. So if I come here and I just put in 21-day smoothie, all right, okay, so check this out. Okay, now this person is promoting this ClickBank product. Okay, you can see it's got 62,000 followers. If I scroll down, you can see 26 hearts, 65 hearts. Daily post is driving followers and visitors to this person's link, which is an affiliate link promoting this smoothie diet. Why is this person doing it? Because it's converting. Now bear in mind, because the product is very, very good and it has a good high conversion, does not mean that every traffic source is going to convert with this product. This is where people make big mistakes. What they do is when they see that, okay, the product is very good, it's converting very good with Instagram, so they go out there and start promoting this using Facebook, then YouTube, and in all these other traffic sources, and they end up losing. Okay, you need to understand, just because one product is converting very, very good with one network does not mean that it's going to keep on converting and it's going to convert with other networks. You need to understand. Let me show you some more proof, okay? So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to type in 21 day, and I'm going to show you some more people promoting products just like this, okay? 21 day smoothie. So you could see here, these are all these people promoting health, diet, detox, 21 day smoothie, plan, challenge. These are all these people are promoting this product. So check this out. This person probably started a brand new Instagram account, only has 4 followers, okay? And you can see here, he has started to post as well. Alright, so you can go out there, create a free Instagram account and become more creative, create a profile that's going to target something like this, a product which is related to weight loss and diet. Post it there and post your affiliate link. Now you need to understand that you are not allowed to post a direct affiliate link that you're going to get from ClickBank. It's a long link. Instagram does not allow that, so it's going to be best for you to actually shorten that URL using a website called tinyurl, or you could use a website called Bitly. Okay, so you will able to shorten the URL, and doing that will make it more beautiful, more attractive, and more professional. All right, so this is how you make money online for beginners in 2026. Make your first $10,000. There are plenty of ways to make money online using the internet. One of the ways is called affiliate marketing, which doesn't require any technical skills. You don't need any kind of prior experience. A bit of knowledge, learning, getting the guidance from a professional is more than enough for you to move forward and start promoting products and start making money online. Now, for you to start making money online using this method requires the positive mindset, a never giving up attitude, and approaching this like a business, not like a hobby. So if you do this and you never give up and you're persistent, which means persistent is the key to success. So if you do this every single day, you're going to start seeing results, potential sales, and you're going to see how this starts to fold up, your traffic starts to build up, and your commission starts to grow. Okay, so start doing this. This is how to make your first $10,000 in 2026.